Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace oil and filter in 2022 Toyota Corolla. Hello again, so I have 2022 Toyota Corolla LE. We're gonna be changing the oil today. So for this particular car, what you need is synthetic oil 0W20, and then for my particular car I need M1 103A Mobile One filter. I'll give you the links to those products at the bottom of my video, so you can easily just go and buy it on Amazon. So I'm doing this by myself. You don't need to go and spend money going to the dealership. The one thing that I like to point out, make sure your brakes are on, and I'm gonna be not moving the whole car up because the jack point is really far back. I'm gonna just go jack it on one side, remove the cover because there is a cover on the bottom. If you decide to jack the car up and support it in the middle instead of using the jacks, I'm gonna show you. This is the middle bolt that allows you to jack the car up from the front. You have one bolt over here, you can see with my laser. You have a second one, and there's a third one right here. The jack point is the one in the middle, so you really have to push it all the way back. So for my oil change, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just jacking up the car and raising up right on the side. Change the oil, there is no way to get to the bottom without removing the cover. As you can see, there is a plastic cover. So if you want to get to the bottom of the car, you need to remove this cover. So you have a couple of screws that you need to remove just to remove this panel before we can do the oil change. To remove the cover, I use 10mm socket to get those out. And now we have a clear access to the bolt that we need to release, and here's the location of the filter. To remove the bolt from the oil pan, you need 14mm socket. So you need 14mm socket to open the bolt. Okay. All right. Now to remove the oil filter, I'm using the tool designed for that, so I don't have to struggle and burn my fingers. A special clamp, and all you do is just go and loosen it up, and then you can use your hands. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to lower my car to make sure that entire oil is out of the engine. Now before I'm gonna change the filter, so that's the new one, that's the old one, I always take a little bit of the oil and I put it on a gasket of the new filter, so then it's not gonna get stuck and it's gonna be easier to remove it later. So always do that. Now when you're gonna be putting back the bolt into the oil pan, it's very important to make sure you have appropriate torque. So for 2022 Toyota Corolla, you need 30 foot-pound on that bolt. So proper torque on this pan drain bolt is 30 pounds. The next step is just to fill it up, so use the funnel and let's go fill it up. Once you're done with your oil change, please remember, recycle your used oil. I believe Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, they do recycle that. So dump it into the container, bring it to the store, they'll take it for free. I believe they recycle it into some kind of a heating oil, so please be responsible, don't dump it anywhere. So this basically is almost the end. Now another important thing is to check if you have appropriate oil level. So as you can see, the oil change is basically 3 steps. 1 is drain, 2 is to fill, and then 3 is to check. So what I'm gonna do is, you need to start a car, run it for a moment, then stop it, and then we're gonna check indicator right here to see if we have appropriate level. I also at the time check underneath the car to check if there are no leaks. It's good practice. One time I did the oil change and I don't know, I was thinking about something else. I never put a oil filter, so everything was just draining. Okay, so let it run for a moment and we're gonna check the levels. Now I'm gonna quickly go here and check if my level is correct. So I wipe it off first, put it inside and quickly check it. And we are about 3/4, which means I am perfect. I don't know if you can see, but I'm about 3/4 right here. So I'm pretty good. Also, you may want to reset your warnings for oil changes. So when you are going to go to your vehicle settings, you hold OK button, and then we have schedule maintenance, and we can reset data, yes or no. Yes, we're gonna click yes and reset complete. So now you're going to get a warning when the time comes for next scheduled maintenance. So basically that's it. Super easy drain field check. All what I always do, I also drive a car for a few moments just to let the oil get into the engine a little bit better and check my oil levels again. Remember, you don't want to overfill it, you don't also want to have it not enough. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.